So let's try something. We're going to talk about the heart math process. I know some of you already know it, but let's actually change something because there's an experiment where scientists set out to see if you could actually change something just with focused attention using will and intention, which is a lot of what we're doing here, right? In the energy circle. Like we talk about this, like just intend it and it will come. So they did this experiment. So just pick something because we're going to do it. While I talk about the pre part. Something that you would like to play to change. So what they did in this study was they took vials of human DNA and they used spectrography to measure the degree of the twist in the double helix of the DNA molecules in the sample. And then in the experiment, some groups were asked to hold the intention that the helixes of the DNA would twist tighter, and other groups were asked to hold the intention that the spirals would become looser. So they did that. They retested the DNA after the experiment, and there was no difference. I was like, what? But then those same people entered a calm meditative state that the heart math researchers call heart coherence, which is what we're going to do. When they held those same intentions within this state, the DNA changed. One group tightened the twist and the other group loosened the twist. One highly trained volunteer who was able to achieve an extremely stable state of heart coherence. And, you know, a lot of us have been practicing these things for a while now, so I would think we could do pretty well, was found to be particularly effective. In one experiment, 3 separate vials of DNA were prepared, A, B, and C. He was asked to tighten the degree of twist in A and C, but not in B. And that is exactly what the results showed. And that's from Norman Shealy's book, Soul Medicine. So, like when I read that, it was like, okay, this literally does put change in our hands, in our heart, in our minds. We can control our consciousness even if it takes a bit of training. We can choose our intentions and we can change our consciousness by practicing this breathing and doing other things. And we can change matter. So pick your attention and let's do this together. So this is heart math, quick coherence. If I'm not sure, and I can't see you, how many of you are new to this, but the key is, so we have our intention kind of over here, but now drop down your attention to the area of your heart and breathe in and out slowly to a count of 5. And they say, and if you're into this, there is lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of science. It's super science backed on the heartmath.com website and lots of courses. So you breathe in and out slowly to a count of 5, breathing through the heart. And you see the marks under frustration and appreciation. So this is what the graph looks like. And after you get that breath going through your heart, which interestingly enough, people get that. They're like, oh yeah, I can breathe through my heart. You just put your consciousness down there. Now remember anything positive and beautiful, a positive feeling. So you can recall a special place, love for a pet, family member, or friend, and breathe that in through your heart or count of 5 and out for a count of 5. And in for a count of 5. And out for a count of 5. And now call to mind your intention, whatever it is. Could just be to have a beautiful, wide open, lovely heart chakra. And wafting this beautiful feeling through your heart. It does. It just feels like it gives it more power, more beauty, right? Okay, so that was just a little aside, but I thought it'd be fun to actually try it.